Everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a default ending permanent on a CapCut apps. So let's get started. First, open your CapCut apps, and if you add a new project at the CapCut apps, you can see this is the ending default on a CapCut. If you wanna delete this ending default forever, it's so simple. So you can go to a menu CapCut, and after this you can click on the setting, and now you can swipe this button to left right this, and then click on a keep. I'm sorry, click on a keep. Sorry, click on discard. So you can go back and click a new project. I wanna try to add some video and go okay. The default ending has been deleted permanently. So that's how to delete default ending permanent on a CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.